a dream come true for me to finally, obviously, since a young kid I've dreamed about this, fighting for a world title in my hometown in Edinburgh. It's something I've worked so hard my whole life for, so I'm so close now, and I can't wait for Friday night. It's going to be an unbelievable night, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. And what better way driving in style in the Mustang Mach E. Honoured to be sponsored by Kirkcaldy Ford, and great to have them on board and backing me, supporting me on this journey to hopefully, like I said, becoming a world champion on Friday night.